Uttar Pradesh government covers IIT fees for Dalit student. IIT placement decline amid market uncertainty and high salary expectations. GATE 2025 registration without late fees closes today. NMC releases guidelines for new postgraduate medical qualifications.
Hello everyone, welcome to the Education News Network. I am Pallavi Kulkarni. Today's top news are: in a significant move, the Uttar Pradesh government has pledged to cover the entire tuition fees for Atul Kumar, a Dalit student from Muzaffarnagar who faced admission issues at IIT Dhanbad due to non-payment issues. Atul, son of a daily wage laborer, had excelled in IIT JEE exam but was unable to secure his seat in electronics engineering program by the June 2024 exam deadlines. After exhausting all avenues, his family sought intervention from Supreme Court, which led to the matter being brought by the Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath's attention. Following his directives, the Social Welfare Department will provide full financial assistance under the State Scholarship Scheme, ensuring all the fees for Atul's 4 years course are covered. The government has already coordinated with IIT Dhanbad to facilitate his admission process. IIT Mandi Director Lakshmidhar Behre has highlighted significant challenges facing campus placement this year, with rates dropping from 97% to 83%. He attributed this decline to global market uncertainties and disruptions from artificial intelligence, which have affected job availability. Behre expressed his concern over students' unrealistic salary expectations, particularly regarding which many students decline to join, resulting in negative experience for recruiters. He emphasized that while PSUs offer long-term stability, students are offended and distracted by higher salaries in the software sector. Behre also mentioned efforts to enhance students' employability by targeting Japanese companies, noticing interest in IIT graduates. Additionally, he addressed the impact of the pandemic on students' engagement, implementing mandatory attendance due to low-key participation in the class. His tenure has faced scrutiny, particularly regarding non-optional courses on Indian knowledge system, which sparked controversy over the content. The registration for Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering GATE 2025 conducted by IIT Roorkee ends today, October 3. Initially scheduled to close on September 26, candidates can now register online at the official website without incurring any late fees. GATE 2025 will feature 30 test papers and registration fees of Rs 900 for females, SC/ST and PWD candidates, while it is Rs 1800 for all other candidates including foreign nationals. To apply, candidates must visit the official website, select Apply Now and provide personal details, exam preferences and educational qualifications. They will also need to upload necessary documents and complete the payment. For those who missed today's deadline, late registration is available until October 7 with an additional fees. The GATE 2025 exam will take place on February 1, 2, 15 and 16 with admit cards expected in January. The National Medical Commission has outlined new guidelines for medical college aiming to introduce postgraduate medical courses. Institutions must consult the relevant board and submit a formal application adhering to the regulations of 2023. The applications form for the new qualification is available on NMC website and must include specific annexures including standards assessment forms for institutions and specially information. A fees of Rs 2,50,000 plus 18% GST per qualification must accompany the application to the Postgraduate Medical Examination Board. Applications that do not meet formatting or fees requirements will be rejected. Colleges wishing to offer MD, MS, DM, MCH, PDF, PDCC or 6-year DM, MCH programs must first seek guidance from the relevant board before submitting their proposals. Additionally, institutions can apply to include new qualifications not listed in the existing annexures, ensuring compliance with NMC regulations. That's all for today's news. Logging off with Pallavi Kulkarni. For more such news and detailed information, log into our website www.theenn.com. Don't forget to like, share and comment on this video and subscribe to our channel.